Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. So today's video is based on how to win dispute as seller on your PayPal account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log in into your PayPal account. And once you're logged into your account, so on the home page, tap on help in the top right corner. After you tap on help, there's a drop down menu. So from there you need to tap on resolution center, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on resolution center, on the other interface you have to tap on report a problem, which is right in center. So after that you have to select the issue, and once you're done selecting it, tap on continue. So after you dispute a charge, the account holder and the seller have 20 days to resolve the issue. And in case if the method does not work, then what you can do is just do the same procedure, that is go back to your home screen and then tap on help and then tap on resolution center, and after that report a problem, and after that the PayPal will get involved with it and then you can resolve the dispute. So that is how you can win dispute as a seller on your PayPal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.